Welcome back to our next session. Children, in our previous session, we have discussed about how circle is formed, what is the center of the circle, what is radius and diameter. Now, in your studio book, look at this Think and Ink, activity 1.8. The center of this circle is the point O. In this circle, what is the center of the circle named as, children? O. Now there are few questions. First question. Draw a line that touches the circle at 2 points but does not go through O. We have to draw a line that touches the circle at 2 points, but it does not go through the point O. Can you draw, children? Yes. In this way, we have to draw that. Okay, children? We have to draw a line that touches the circle at 2 points, but does not go through O. This is called chord. This is called chord, which does not pass through the center and touches the circle at 2 points is called chord. Second one. Now draw a line segment with both endpoints on the circle that goes through O. Now we have to draw a line segment which passes through the center of the circle and touches the 2 endpoints on the circle. And we have to name that endpoints with P and Q. There is one more question. Do you remember a special name for the segment PQ? Yes, as we discussed earlier, PQ is called diameter. PQ is called diameter. How about for the segment OP? And what is this OP called? Yes, radius. OP is called radius. PQ is called diameter. OP is called radius. Even OQ is also called radius. Diameter is equal to 2r. Diameter is equal to 2r. Radius is equal to d by 2. As we discussed earlier, to find the diameter and radius, these are the formulas. And see, children, a segment that touches the circle at 2 points and goes through the point O, that is center of the circle, is called diameter, and it is the longest chord. Diameter is also called as longest chord. These are chords which passes through, which does not pass through the center but touches the circle at 2 points. And this is the longest chord that passes through the center of the circle and touches the circle at 2 points is called diameter. Not only diameter, it is also called as longest chord. Next, here is a pep activity, children. You have to create a 5-sided closed shape. 5-sided closed shape. That is a pentagon. 4 of the sides should be 4 centimeters long. And you have to measure the 5th side. How long is it? You have to find out how long is it. Is that the only possibility for the length of the 5th side? Compare with your classmates. See, you have to draw a 5-sided closed shape. 5-sided closed shape. 4 of the side should be 4 centimeters. This should be 4 centimeters. This one 4 centimeters. This is also should have 4 centimeters, and this one also with the 4 centimeters. You have to measure the fifth side and tell how long is it. And is that the only possibility for the length of fifth side? Yes, fifth side also should be 4 centimeters only. Do it and compare with your classmates' children. Okay? How does changing the line segments change the shape they make? There is a question, children. How does changing the line segments change the shape they make? See, for example, 4 line segments we are having of equal length. We get square. If we change the shape of the line segment, see here also there are 4 line segments, but the line segments are not with equal length. Few are with same length and few are with different length. So changing the line segments change the shape. If we take same length of line segments, we will get one shape. If we take different lengths of line segments, we will get different shape. So changing the line segments change the shape they make. Did you know a closed shape formed from straight line segments is called a polygon? Did you observe these two shapes, children? They are made up of straight line segments. A closed figure, this is a closed figure formed from straight line segments, and this is called polygon. A closed shape formed from straight line segments is called a polygon. Look at these shapes, children. These shapes are formed from straight line segments. So these are the examples of polygon. What is polygon, children? A closed shape formed from straight line segments is called a polygon. A closed shape formed from straight line segments is called a polygon. This is a polygon. This one is also called as polygon because these shapes are made of line segments, straight line segments. So these are called polygons. See, children, the end points of the line segment, are called vertices. The end points of the line segment are called vertices. Vertices. These end points are called vertices. Where do we find these end points? In line segment. One such endpoint is called a vertex. Singular means one is vertex. Plural form of vertex is vertices. If one such endpoint is called vertex, if many are there means vertices. See, children, look at this shape. How many line segments are there in the given polygon? Children, is this a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon because it is formed from straight line segments. A closed shape formed from straight line segments is called a polygon. How many line segments are there, children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many line segments are there, children? 8 line segments. You have to write here 8. And how many vertices are there? What is the definition of vertices? The endpoints of the line segment are called vertices. Count the number of endpoints, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many vertices are there? 8. Name the vertices, children. You have to name the vertices. It is having how many sides, children? This polygon is having 8 sides. So it is octagon. In octagon, you have to name the vertices. Vertices. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are the vertices. What kind of polygon is this? Yes, as I discussed, as I told you, it is having 8 sides. So it is an octagon. You have to use the table below to name it. By seeing the given table, you can find out whether it is octagon or not. Yes, here is the polygon chart. Polygons are named on the basis of the number of sides it has. Polygons are named. Polygons are named. On which basis? Based on the number of sides it has. Polygons are named on the basis of the number of sides it has. See, children, a polygon having 3 sides is called triangle. A polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is the meaning of quadri, children? 4. Quadri means 4. Lateral means sides. A polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Example, square, rectangle, etc. Square is having 4 sides, rectangle is having 4 sides, parallelogram is having 4 sides, rhombus is having 4 sides with different shapes. So, a polygon with 5 sides is called pentagon. A polygon with 6 sides is called hexagon. A polygon with 7 sides is called heptagon. A polygon with 8 sides is called octagon. A polygon with 9 sides is called nonagon. A polygon with 10 sides is called decagon. You have to learn these words, children. You have to learn these names of polygons based on their sides. Previous we discussed about this polygon. It is having 8 sides, so it is octagon. In polygons, there are regular polygons and irregular polygons. How many types of polygons are there, children? Regular polygons, irregular polygons. First we will see regular polygons. What are regular polygons? Regular polygons have sides of equal length and angles of equal size. All are equal in these regular polygons. Regular polygons have sides of equal length and angles of equal size. Sides of equal lengths and angles of equal size. They have, first point is sides of equal length They have equal length of sides. Next characteristic is angles of equal size. Angles of equal size. So these two characteristics should be there to be a regular polygon. What are the two? Sides of equal length and angles of equal size. Example, hexagon with 6 sides. Pentagon with 5 sides. Quadrilateral. Example, only square. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral, but its sides are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal in rectangle, but in square all the sides are equal. To be a regular polygon, sides of equal length should be there. Angles of equal size should be there. So only square comes under the regular polygon. Equilateral triangle. Many triangles are there. In that only equilateral triangle comes under regular polygon. What are the examples of polygon, children? Hexagon, pentagon, square and equilateral triangle. Coming to irregular polygons. In regular polygons, sides of equal length and angles of equal size should be there. But in the word itself we get the meaning. Irregular polygons have sides that are not equal to each other. Sides that are not equal to each other and angles that are not equal to each other. Sides are not equal and angles are also not equal. Sides and angles are not equal to each other in irregular polygons. These are the main characteristics of irregular polygons. What are they, children? Sides and angles are not equal to each other. Look at these figures, children. You can find out easily. This is an irregular hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is also called as hexagon, but it is an irregular hexagon because its sides are not with equal lengths. Even this picture also. Even this shape also, children. It is a pentagon having 5 sides, but it is an irregular pentagon. Irregular quadrilateral. Having 4 sides called quadrilateral. Lengths are not equal and angles are not in same size. So, it is an irregular quadrilateral. And a scalene triangle also comes under irregular polygons because its angles are different, not same in size. Okay, children? Did you understand regular polygons and irregular polygons? Next, look within. Look at this activity, children, 1.10. If you were a polygon, which one would you be and why? You have to write your own answer. If you were a polygon, which one would you be? Which one you will select? A pentagon or a hexagon or an octagon or nonagon or decagon. Any one you can select. And you have to write why you want to be like that polygon. Here is a question, children. Is a circle a polygon? Say yes or no? No. See, this is a polygon. This is not a polygon. Because a simple closed figure bounded by line segments is called polygon. But a circle is not bounded by line segments. So it is not a polygon. Is it clear, children? We will discuss the remaining topics in next session. Up to that, complete all the given bits neatly.